one click, you can talk to thousands young individuals, eager to create something new, something never seen before.
Hello, 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 hello. Yo, is the music loud? I I'm scuffed. My streaming setup is scuffed. I'm basing my feedback from the VU meters from OBS. And also now we're dropping frames. Ah, Jesus. My ISP hates me. So yeah, that ain't gonna be fun. Uh, but yeah, let's try. I guess. Oh my god, we're gonna be so screwed. Uh, uh it's okay. If it's too loud, let me know. Also, let me know if I'm still alive because I have no clue. Um. Well, uh, nevertheless, let me explain. Let me explain something. Okay, give me a second, though. Okay. Okay. Now we're golden. Okay, so let me explain the game plan or something. This is professional, I swear. Yes, I'm still alive. Thank you for confirming that. We have news that DDC is still alive. What is this? Bruh. Okay, so basically, we have a web page. Actually, this is the computer, you know, the laptop or whatever, and this is the screen. And on the screen, there's gonna be like stuff, and then I plan on making this stuff be connected. Oh Jesus! Be connected to your favorite MIDI keyboard, whatever. You know, this is a MIDI keyboard. Well, jokes aside, I have no clue on what the fuck is. Well, first of all, I have no clue on how to use the web audio API, and let me show you. So, the web audio API is basically something that allows you to make sounds and other stuff, also related to audio, from your browser using your browser. And I used it like sometime, S plural, but it's been a long time since I used it, and so we're gonna discover it together, I guess. So let's start with oscillator node, since it sounds promising. So first of all, let me go to my code and put some what's the key? Okay, the key to zoom, bro. So I want to have like let's say like 3 oscillators controlled by eventually MIDI, but that ain't the priority. And wait a second. Okay. And I also want like actually let's start with one oscillator, but let's start with one oscillator and make it work for fuck's sake. Because as I said, I don't remember how to use it. So it's gonna be fun. Also, I just realized that I was on the wrong screen. So I'm gonna keep the ducks on the side, and let's try. Also, I'm using like I'm importing the script as a module. I don't want to be too annoying. But basically this allows me to say like something like modules, and just like if you don't know JavaScript or stuff like that, you might be asking yourself why the fuck have I joined, and I don't blame you. But let's say like oscillator.js, you know. Let's do, because as I was saying, I'm losing my mind right now. Jesus, as I was saying, I can say like something like import sign from dot slash module slash oscillator.js, and this doesn't mean anything until I say like const class sign of some sort. Let's make it a class. I don't know. I'm just writing stuff for the sake. Export sign. Was this the thing? Can I say like sign that's in cell? See, Jesus. Okay, so class sign. Okay, so yeah, this is the right syntax. Yeah. I swear I am a developer. So let me see. Oh, okay, so Simon, you joined because of the music. Because, funny enough, this video was made by the Mr. Fake Pie. Oop, oop, no, you're seeing stuff. How do I do this? Okay, now we're talking. Okay, so let me switch to the docs again and full screen this. So the oscillator node. Oh wait, I cannot start with this because it's a whole thing, like a context, audio context or something. Audio context. Here's the thing. So creates and returns a new audio context, because it's basically, from what I understand. Let me just do this. From what I understand, you need to create like an instance of whatever this means. Okay, the music is making me a little bit distracted, to be honest. I'm gonna make it louder for you, but this might be too loud. Hang on, I swear. And now it should be fine for you, actually. But how the fuck do I do this? New audio context like this? Okay, so context. Okay, I need to switch again. Oh my god. What the fuck? Yes, context equals new audio context. Context option. Let me see what latency hits, sample weight. Let's keep them as default. And then what does IntelliSense tell me? Context dot add event listener, close, create analyzer, create buffer, create oscillator. Okay, so let me see, like const os is equals to create oscillator node, okay. And then ask dot okay, so I need to make like a const, like some sort of mixer, if I remember correctly. Context dot create channel mergers, splitter, big gain, media element source, panner. Ooh, panner. Buffer source, channel merger, I guess. I don't know what the fuck am I doing. Oh, okay. Let me like write the foundation of the code, and then I can think of ways of making it more complicated. Because I like making it complicated. And if you are a web dev chat, I'm gonna use vanilla JavaScript and like Bootstrap because I'm stuck. What's the I don't know what I was trying to say. I don't want to say naughty little boy because it sounds awfully strange. So I'm not gonna say it. I'd like to strike it from the record. Yes. So yeah, I can do like ask dot frequency. Is it a constant? No, it's property. Frequency what? 1000 is it 1 kilohertz? Maybe. Ask dot connect to mixer. And I need to connect the mixer to something. I am sure about that. Let me actually pick the docs. Create. What's the channel merger node? Okay. I need fucking example. Source, create buffer source. No. Destination, create media stream destination. I don't know what the fuck am I doing. Create oscillator, let me see Listen, I'm not gonna do like this, bro. I'm not gonna switch stuff. This is like 73 million times better. Let's start connect. Oh, audio context dot destination. That's the and then mixer dot connect. Jesus, connect. Context dot destination. Do I need to set like mixer dot no, it's I don't know, man. Let me try. What happened? Did the music stop? Ooh, that's bad. Okay. Yeah, no, so here's the thing. I always code alone, and in rare instances, I code with either analog weapon actually saying stuff, that's coherent and on topic, or Simon that just says, yeah, no, did you see my video? And I was like, bro, no, I don't watch videos. And that's a lie. I watch all his videos because I'm #1 fan. Yes. Okay, let's quit. Okay, now if I click run live server, which one of my browser windows is gonna use? Okay. Okay, let me see the cannot set property frequency which has only a getter. What the fuck? Okay, so that's not how you set the frequency. So that's good to know. If this is a getter, ask.set. Wait, I need to start it after I connect it, and also I need to set the frequency. But if it's telling me that it's a getter, how the fuck am I supposed to? Oh, frequency dot set value. That's the thing, I guess. Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay. Let's shut the fuck up, bro. Okay, I'm sorry. I wasn't expecting it. Okay, so it definitely needs a gain stage of some sort, like hard coding it to like 1%. Yeah, I could have also like used like, I don't know, 200 hertz instead of 1 kilohertz. So that's on me. I'm sorry. Const master gain is equal to context dot create gain. Okay. So I want to connect the mixer to master gain. Jesus, that sounds so bad. Master gaining. Master gain. Dot connect to context dot destination. And master gain though. Master gain dot value is equal to number. Does it go from 0 to 1? From 1 to 100? Gain node, instance properties, an A rate audio param representing the amount of gain. You have to set audio param the value. Audio param to change the effect of gain. I'm assuming it goes from 0 to 1, so 0.2 it's 20%, so localhost 5500 Ctrl Shift I. Failed to load resource. The audio context was not allowed to start. It must be resumed or okay. What? Okay. Why the fuck did you work before? Okay, let me do it. Okay. Okay, so one. Oh, okay, so it's only one this. It's how the fuck do I yeah, the luxurious convenience of weekly typed language also, because otherwise I'd be fucked, because I don't know any of these types and I'm too lazy to do anything. Anyways, how the fuck do I make it stereo? Do I need to say like channels? Audio context, is it in audio context? No. Latency hint, no. Gain, mixer, maybe it's in mixer. Channels, master gain, ask, I have no clue on how to make it stereo. Output number, what the fuck is audio node connect? What's the connect method? Let me look at the connect method. Output index, input index. What the fuck is output index? An index specifying which output of the current audio node to connect to this to the destination. See audio channels. Oh my god, no, too much. I want to make sound. I don't want to make it go to the moon. I guess we're gonna find out. When you can only connect a given output to a given input once, you can connect an output to multiple inputs by calling connect. Okay, so I guess it. Okay, so how to make web audio API stereo? Let me search like the most stupid, brain dead basic concept. Okay, so it's the thing, like the page from before. Number of channels. Wait, bro, is IntelliSense is IntelliSense gonna like, no, it's not from audio context. Audio buffer. Channel merger? Wait. Buffer, no. Audio channels, mono, 0, each audio buffer may contain different numbers of channels in most modern audio devices. Okay, so connect output what the fuck was the thing that it was saying about output stuff? Which output of the current audio node to connect to the destination? The index numbers are defined while you can only connect a given output to a given input once, you can connect an output to multiple inputs. Oh, okay. So if I say like 0 and then I copy and paste and do 1, maybe. I'm not sure because the oscillator should be mono. So create oscillator. Let me see what option. It doesn't give me any fucking option. But I guess I'm guessing, guys. I don't know what to tell you. Localhost 5500, and then to make it start, we do like this. And now we don't hear anything. Dumb exception. Delta execute the create channel manager. The number of inputs provided 0 is a factor in 1 of 32. So it's not 0. What the fuck? 1 and 2. Maybe. What? To execute the create channel merger. Oh wait, what the fuck is this? Output index 1 exceed number of outputs 1. So 0. And I can only have. I need to figure out this thing, but we're gonna figure it out together, guys. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Would you little happy pirate? Hey. Mixer. Wait. Wait, the music is too loud? How's it now? Tell me, please. Okay. So, master gain. Let me actually try and reroute some stuff. Connect to master gain, and then let's set like stuff from master gain, and then do like the opposite. Context of destination and master gain to mixer. Let me reroute this, and then let me do like window.mixer is equal to mixer, and then let me explore it through the thing. The other context was not allowed to start. I quite literally. Oh my god. Okay. Let me do something about it. Button class. I don't know. Click index, and then let's go to say something like let me wrap around this whole thing. Const btn is equal to document.query selector dot, what did I call that? I don't know, right? And then let's do btn dot add event listener click, maybe event, because otherwise it's gonna complain every time and I don't like it. So okay, now I have this thing. Jesus, what the fuck are you doing? Did I fucking start something? No. Okay. Mixer. Channel merger node. Number of inputs is 6. Number of outputs is 1. Whatever. Oh no. no. Okay. Button advent listener. How do I? Never mind. No, it's not a stream about the spaghetti. It's not the spaghetti. It's about fucking full stop. It's about fucking. What song is this? Let me actually.
In a warehouse like this, you
Hey,
can walk
yo.
up to 27 miles a day
Hey yo.
and get just 10 minutes for
I
lunch.
hope you can hear it.
Staff are monitored round the clock. Penalties dished
And also
out
I
to
hope
all
that
these
it's
colleagues.
not like way too loud and you cannot hear me doing a bad impression of a programmer that actually knows how to do this. How the fuck do I make it channel manager? Wait, okay, maybe I understand. It merges multiple inputs in one channel. That's why it only has one channel. Okay. Never mind. So how the fuck do I make I don't want to make it like. Is it like audio buffer? Represents a short audio asset residing in memory. No, I don't want to. Does anyone have this is a tutorial. Bruh. Bend that guy. Mud? Bend it. I'm gonna do my best to share my impression. Oh my god. Length, duration, number of channels. I don't want to use that. It doesn't seem right. Yeah. Look, web audio, AVI examples. Give me some examples. Because I have no fucking clue. Controlling sounds, no. Modifying sound, kind of. Adding stereo panning to a rap. That's how the normal. Do I need to make it like a stereo panner for every oscillator? I don't want to make it too. I don't want. Okay. Let's try using const panner is with some context dot create stereo panner. Oh, I cannot type. What's the pen? Why isn't IntelliSense working? Audio context. What? Pen option. Create stereo panner and then panner dot pen dot value is equal to 0, so it's center. Then I take the oscillator and connect it to panner, and then panner dot connect to master gain. Maybe let me dispose of the live server and then go live again, and then click. No, it's still mono. Okay, I'm definitely missing something. Um, because, yeah, because this mixer is a channel merge. And I guess, I don't want to. Let me do just master gain, dot connect, audio actually it's context dot destination, and then remove that, local host, wrong port. Oh, Jesus. Okay, let me do this. I'm not. Oh, okay. Now it's stereo. Or stereo. How do you say it? Is it stereo like Rey Mysterio? Or stereo like something else? Let's do buses. I don't want to do buses. Bro, it didn't need to. Actually, it did. But the channel merger has in its name merger and channel. It takes multiple channels and merges them into one. And then, since, from what I understood, the the first channel, which is the 0, 1, is always the left one. If the thing has only one channel, it defaults to left. So I was basically making a stereo and then squashing it back to mono with the channel merger, which is something that needs to be remembered if we want to make it this shit stereo. Nice analog weapon. By the way, the creator of Minecraft sounds. But anyways, let's do something, I guess. Okay. So let's try and make a stupid ass sequencer, because I cannot what? I don't know what I cannot. Bruh. I'm fucking getting fried. Okay, so let's say like set timeout. No, set interval. Something. A function that every like 200 milliseconds or so. So if I want to say like 120 BPM, bits per minute. So bits divided by minute times divided by 60, which is 2. So it's 500 milliseconds, right? Yeah, it's 500 milliseconds. So I want to change the frequency every 500 milliseconds to some sort of let's say const max steps, which is equal to 8. Let index, which is equal to 0, and every let's do index is equal to index modulus, no, index plus 1, modulus max steps. This basically makes it makes index go like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then instead of going 8, it goes back to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So why the fuck am I explaining that shit? Anyways, I know now I need a lookup table, an array of some sort. Const music is equal to an array of, like, let's say 200, 200, and then 200, 200, 400, 200, and then go 100, and then 150, and then the last two, 77 and 66. No, too low, too low. Let's do 170 and 250. I don't know what the fuck this is gonna sound like. But by the way, no, not by the way. Let's start like at 200, but then it needs to ask dot frequency dot value is equal to music index. Maybe it's not gonna work for sure. I'm sure it's not gonna work. Okay, it worked. Let me pause the music. Let's enjoy. Oh, it sounds actually kinda nice. I put random frequencies. And then I can change like the speed at which it goes. Yo, Andre, we're going no input. See? No input. No input like inside. There's no input inside. I am not typing. This is all GitHub Copilot. Anyways, let's make it go out of bounds. Let's change it to 9 steps. Actually, I don't know. No, bro, sidetracking. No sidetracking. This is sidetracking. And let me resume the music before it becomes like a silent stream. So I hope that fucking YouTube doesn't start playing stuff that it's not supposed to play. But anyways, okay, so if you are planning on using this sequence of frequencies right here, make sure to credit me. Copyright 2023 BBC. Okay. Actually, it's like all rights reserved. I swear to God, if someone uses this, I'm gonna sue. I swear to God. Haha, JK, haha. Unless I can make a bunch of money. What the fuck was I supposed to do? Oh, well, first of all, let's try and change like the shape of the oscillator. Shape, set periodic wave. Oh, okay, so now this is for like LUTs, lookup tables, and wave tables actually. They're basically the same thing. Don't at me. Oscillator node. Where's the oscillator node? Here's oscillator node. Also, let me close all these tabs. Oscillator node, frequency, the tune, type. Here's type. Sine, square, sawtooth, and triangle. So I guess that we can also change that on the fly. So we can also do like something like const wave types is equal to a sine, triangle, square, and a sawtooth. And then let's do like random type is equal to like, let's do it's wave types at math.random times wave types dot length. And also let's make sure that it's math.floor. This basically takes the like, let me explain math.floor. Like let's say you have some number like 34.678. After floor, it's gonna be like 34. If you have 34.2, it's gonna be 34 again. And then there's also math.round, which in this particular case would have returned 35, and in this particular case 34. And then there's also math.seal, and in that particular case it would have also returned 35, and also here 35. It's basically three functions that if you're not a programmer, especially, well, I think all the languages have a math library. Otherwise, what the fuck is the point? But well, basically this returns a string, like either sine, triangle, square wave, or tooth, sawtooth, like randomly, so that I can do this os.type. Os.type is just random type. I'm not sure this is gonna work, because I'm pretty confident let's not be confident. Okay. Okay, so if you click multiple times, it's gonna start multiple audio contexts. So what the fuck is this video, bro? Who's this? Never mind. Oh, it's doing H root. It's doing H analog. Analog is doing H root. You know? What's the fuck is the name of that? The thing that we. The thing. Literally me. This is me right now. This is me right now. That's not me. Do a reverse square wave? Ah, yeah. Totally. Also called not. What? Okay, bro, this video is distracting me. Jesus Christ. Okay, I need to stop watching this video. Um, um, where's okay now? Okay. So, with that being said, could we make a class out of this? To make like, I'm pretty confident we can. Constructor, let's pass the context because of the audio context thing, maybe, I don't know. And also, since I am a sucker for audio context, I'm a sucker for intelligence. Let me do this, otherwise I need to go back and forth like 73 million times to get like function properties and methods, and I don't want to. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so this dot context is equal to context. Let me store context inside of the subject. If y'all are interested in knowing what a class is from someone that is not skilled enough to explain it to you, please go ahead and ask, because I didn't ask. Okay, so okay, I need to split this because I need to know what the fuck I did. Okay, so this dot oscillator is equal to
no longer be held back.
context
last we have
dot
arrived.
create
123.45
oscillator.
Explosion. The instant the lid is thrown off the reactor, oxygen rushes in.
Options.
It combines with hydrogen
Nah.
and superheated graphite.
Uh,
The chain of disaster.
sign.
starts.
No, let me do some like oscillator because I want to bundle a bunch of stuff. Like, this dot gain is equal to context dot create gain. I want to be able to set the gain of this oscillator in particular. Yo, Renal, this is happening. This is happening. This is happening. Okay, so never. I'm digressing.
Shut down button.
One minute. Right. Okay, I lost my train of
Because it was kept from
thoughts. How the fuck do I pronounce that without sounding? Okay, thought. How do you pronounce this word? I am scared of saying that. Thoughts. How do I pronounce that? It's okay, never mind. Okay, gain, oscillator gain. Okay, nice. Panner, I don't think I want panner in this. Okay, I say yeah. I'm DDC, and this proves it. If you're not convinced I'm DDC, I don't know what to say to you. Oh, and also wait, bro, no, wait. Okay, I need to do something. I need to take this logo. Actually, it's a browser source. I can just do this. Well, I spent too much time programming this shit because this is a browser source. I have a Raspberry Pi running everything like this. this thing is running on a Raspberry Pi. Because I like to make things complex, and also this transition here. It's a video, but the video was made with I don't know if let me see if I can find the source code. Let me do a little bit of let me do a little bit. I hope it's not on my laptop, but it's here. Moving logo. No. Moving logo. Stinger. Maybe it's moving logo. I don't know what I have a bad like this is the stinger, and basically sends frames to a web server to wait how the BG blur shader, bruh. This is I had a thing test. Yeah, so look at this image. This is this thing. This is this compiled in an image in a video. And yeah, the singer here here's the code. Yeah, I'm kind of proud, but also kind of went insane. And here's the video maker thing. I have a back. Oh my god. Yeah. Anyways, y'all were here to see me make stuff on music. You know, music. You're all here for music, I guess. What the fuck was I doing? Well, let's start with oh Jesus. Let's start with like set frequency. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing to be honest. Also I need to this dot gain you see dot no, and these are dot oscillator dot connect to gain to this dot gain, and also let me actually output. Maybe I need to press enter. This dot output, so that I can say like oscillator dot output. Oscillator also. Set frequency. This dot oscillator dot frequency dot value is equal to F. And that's the whole set frequency method taken care of for some reason. Okay. Set volume P, and basically this goes to this dot output dot gain dot value equals V. Then I need to like set type for type. Also, since I might forget what the fuck am I doing. Number. This is a number. This is a number. This is a number. Like this is not at all like something that is needed for the code to run. But It's good for my sanity. And also, analog, if you're here, you should too, because you know why. So this is sine or square or triangle or sawtooth. Ooh, and also maybe, and I say maybe, we should add like filters and stuff. So type is equal to sine squared triangle is sawtooth. This dot oscillator dot type is equal to t. So set type, set frequency, set volume. Let me look into the frequency. Not the frequency. What's the name? I don't know what the fucking name of what the fuck I will say with that. Oh my god. IRR filter node, infinite impulse response. Is it like bipod filter? Actually, I am so clueless on like what the fuck every type of filter does. Simple low order filter. Okay, so how low order we are talking about though? Double return frequency in the current filtering algorithm. Read only. Double representing the frequency in the current filtering algorithm. Oh, lo pasa, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Get frequency response from the current filter parameter settings. This method calculates the frequency response for frequencies specified in the provided array of frequencies. Provided array. Where do I provide? Q is the thing. Okay. Never mind. Frequency. Read only. So I guess we need to try. Let me switch to this. Let's use the old code. Const filter is equal to context dot create filter. Bicode and IR are the only two. Filter dot frequency dot value. I don't know. Let's try like 50 hertz, so that it should start to filter everything here. And then filter dot type is equal to all pass, band pass, high pass, high shelf, low pass. Let me do low pass. Filter dot q dot value. It should be like 0.8. I don't know. Let's not do 1. Otherwise it's gonna resonate like I don't know what. And then I need to connect the oscillator to the filter, and then the filter to the panner. Dot connect to the panner. And then let's pause the music a little bit. And then let's go here. Okay, it's definitely filtering. And then I don't know if you can hear it. Let's do high pass. Let's say 1 kilohertz and see like here only the. Okay. So this is the cutoff frequency. This is the type, and this is the Q. Is it the resonance? It's been a while. I want the resonance to be like at 200, so it's gonna like pierce your ears. No, it's not the what's the? Maybe I'm mistaken. Maybe I'm mistaken. I might be mistaken. Q is not the resonance or something. I don't know, man. What's Q? But anyways, I don't remove the fucking welcome. I don't want. Like, do we want like and the oscillator like 2 filters, like let's say one high pass on one. I don't know. Also, can I connect like filter dot frequency dot automation rate? I can even do automation. Cancel scheduled values, default value. Exponential ramp. Set target at time. Set value curve at time. Whoa. I guess the fucking web audio API is pretty cool. Well. Let's do like this dot filter 1 is equal to context dot create bipod filter, and this dot filter 2 equal to context dot create. I don't know why I want 2 filters, but let's make it 2 filters. But let's do this dot filter 1 and then this dot filter 2 and then a channel merger. This dot merger is equal to context dot create channel merger. And then this dot merger dot actually this dot filter 1 dot connect to merger, and filter 2 also connect to merger, and this dot merger dot connect to output, maybe, so that then you have like the oscillator that is connected to both filters, and the filters are merged and connect to the gain stage, which is the output. So this kind of makes sense. But then we need to set the filters. You know what we could do? We could do something really stupid. We could do set filter. And then index and options. Can I do like something like this? Dot frequency dot value is equal to value. This is bad, but who cares? Q. Type. Options dot type. Oh, and also I need to say like start, and this dot oscillator dot start, and also stop. This dot oscillator dot stop. I don't know. This. I don't know if it is gonna work. That's the beauty of programming. You have multiple chances. Instead, like with like let's say you need to cut like wood in order to fit like a frame. You have only one chance at it. Instead, with programming, I can just go back and just adjust my code. And also there are tools like the debugger that tells me like, yo, you did this and this doesn't make sense in any programming language. And I was like, yeah, right, I didn't mean I totally knew it. So yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work, but from the testing that I did here with the mockup, because this is like the testing and this is my actual class that I'm gonna use in the end product. Bro, that sounds so stupid. The end product. The resulting thingamabob, if you allow me to call it that. Let's try to use my code. So this is oscillator. Import oscillator from oscillator. I can do this and say export default oscillator, so that I don't have to do stuff. So context, audio context, and then I can say const oscillator is equal to new oscillator context. By the way, I'm sure this is not gonna work like first time. Ain't no way. And then I can also say window.oscillator is equal to oscillator, because since I'm importing this code as a module, I do not have access to stuff. Well, in this case, I wouldn't have had access from the global context to oscillator, to this constant, even if it wasn't like a JavaScript module kind of thing. So I just say like window.oscillator, which is the global object in JavaScript for the browser. So just saying this allows me to do like this is not mad. I refuse to call myself mad genius. Do not call me that. This is normal stuff. Anyone can do it. It just needs some dedication and a little bit of motivation. Mainly motivation. Because I lost my train of thoughts. Yeah, you basically you can do it. Anyone can do it, even Magpie. Yo, I kind of have an idea. Magpie learns JavaScript so that he can help me with the fucking website. Never mind. No. What the fuck was I doing? Do I need to? No, I didn't. A panner. Oh, a panner. I need to create a panner. Const panner is equal to stereo panner. Context.stereopanner. Panner.pan.value is equal to 0, so it's centered. And then I can oscillator.output.connect to panner, and then I connect the panner to the audio context. No, to context dot destination. So now if I launch this, it shouldn't do anything, but let's look at this. But if I say context, not context, oscillator is not defined. Merger is not defined. What the fuck is merger? I forgot what the fuck is merger. This dot merger, create channel merger. Why is it not defined? 1630 HTML, 1630 merger. Oh, it's this dot, this dot, this dot sound. You know, this dot. If you got that reference, get on the coding train, you silly goose. Click. I clicked. Permission policy editor. What? I don't care. Oscillator is not defined. Why is it not defined? Oscillator. Window dot oscillator. It's undefined. Huh. Why is it undefined? It's undefined. Ooh, okay. So this is my other browser page. I meant to open it on here. I'm kind of paranoid. Did I oscillator? Okay, so now it works for some reason. I didn't do shit. So I can go figure that out. Okay, so let me pause the music. Because now we oscillator.set frequency. Set frequency. Can you set the frequency and not the filter? Set frequency to 500 hertz. And oscillator.start. Oscillator.set frequency to oscillator.set volume. I'm so sorry. To 0.2. Okay, I am so sorry. Now oscillator.set frequency .set filter actually. Index, let's do like 1. Filter 1 and then I forgot what the fuck did I say. Okay, this is frequency. Okay, so if I do options dot what dot value, let's say like 100 hertz. Q goes to I don't know 0.5. I couldn't notice any and then type goes to low pass. I don't know if it did any. It also did an error out, so I guess I did something good. Bee-boo, bee-boo. Okay, so let's now that we have like some sort of playground oscillator dot set type to square, and now set filter value Q. Let's do like 08. I cannot tell a difference, to be honest. 50. Also set frequency to like 500, so that we might be able. Like Q0, what the fuck does it do? It doesn't do anything. Q1? Wait! Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Let me do low shelf. Q at 0.3. And also maybe, and I say maybe, lower the volume again. Uh, 0.5. 8. Eventually it's gonna be MIDI controlled. The thing is that in order for me to be able to control it via MIDI, also fuck, oscillator dot stop. I made a function. I was trying to find a way to not close this page. Anyways, yeah, eventually I want to be able to control it via MIDI. The only problem is that right now my only MIDI device is my phone. I have this app that basically makes my phone work as a MIDI device, and I just have to set via the uh, what's it called, the developer options. Um, I can set it. I can set stuff like uh, I can set it to be recognized as a MIDI device, and it's cool and all. But I'd like to use my MIDI keyboard, which I also made myself. But this thing is, it doesn't work anymore for some reason. And I also have another MIDI keyboard that I was making, and it's big, but it's been like 4 years since I started that project, never finished it, and that's why. But Jesus. What are these irritating sine wave sounds? Most likely a a sine wave. Bruh, I cannot speak. Like, and also, oscillator failed to execute start on audio schedulers, cannot call start more than once. What? How am I supposed to restart the oscillator? Set volume to 1, to alpha, to 0.4. No, too low, too high. I don't know, man. It might be actually my setup that is making it too loud. Oscillator set volume, and then what was it? Set frequency. Why would you need MIDI if you can do this? This is as microtonal as you can go. Can I do like floating numbers? Please. Oh, it's like you can make it as microtonal as you want. Anyways, what the fuck was I doing? Oscillator dot stop, but then I cannot restart it. Why? Start on audio scheduled source node. Cannot call start more than once. What the fuck does that mean? I thought that I could restart it. Do I need to like say pause? Stop? Let me read up on it. To the right channel a different frequency? Yeah, I can do that. Okay, so if I want to make it like as you want, I need to add the panner inside of the oscillator class. after the merger, yeah, this dot panner equal to context dot create stereo panner. Let's do it so that panner starts this dot panner dot pan dot value is equal to 0, so that it starts in the center. And then merger connects to this dot panner, and panner connects to output. Panner dot connect to this dot output, and yeah. So let's do like set panning. Set panning? Panning? Is that I don't know, man. This was panning P. This dot panner dot pan dot value is equal to P. Then I can say const oscillator 1 and const oscillator 2. Oscillator 1 is oscillator 1 and oscillator 2 is oscillator 2. I'm doing this again just for making it easier for me to what's the proper term, to debug it. Okay, so panner, I don't need panner anymore. Oscillator 1 dot output dot can I do just like context dot destination? Let's Ctrl do to Ctrl X, Ctrl S. Where's the thing here? Refresh, and then let's do oscillator 1. Oops. Oscillator 1 dot set frequency to like for 40, and oscillator 2 to for 40 times what was it, 3 to 2. Okay, so 3 divided by 2, so 660. Yes. Yeah, oscillator 1 dot start. No, you're not gonna catch me. Set volume to 0.1. Oscillator 2 dot set volume to 0.1. And let's do oscillator 1 dot start, and oscillator 2 dot start. Oscillator 2, why the fuck are you so loud? Because I set the volume only to fucking the yeah, okay. So now oscillator 1 dot set panning to -1 to be only left, and oscillator 2 dot set panning to +1, and now it's basically and also now I can do cool things with this. I can create a function const power chord with frequency is equal to frequency, and I can do like oscillator 1 dot set frequency to F, and oscillator 2 dot set frequency to F times 3 divided by 2. And then I can say power chord like 220, reading frequency of what? Oh, okay, nah, bruh, okay. I need to rewrite the function because it's not set filter, but it's set frequency. And also, I cannot use power chord anymore. Set power chord 2. And then I can do like six. This is this is the best power chord. 60. Ayo. 100. 200. And then I can do oscillator 1 dot set type to square, hoping that it doesn't become too loud. And then I can do like set interval, yes, set interval, power chord 2 of math dot random times 300. Yeah, this is not how you. Oh my god! Math dot random times 300, but it needs to go like plus 100, and also it needs to be. I kind of want to floor it, math.floor, just for some reason, and then I can say like every 500 milliseconds. And now it's yeah, it's but I don't know, man. It is what it is. But yeah, let me restart the music.
But now I'm getting on
Restart the music.
fucking kidding me. All over again.
Yeah, this is your song. Also, I need to understand something. I heard.
All of my life I've never made it right.
Is this Snoop Dogg?
So far off track, but now I'm getting on with my life. You got to never made it right. I have been restless in a world so far off track, but now I'm getting on with my life. You got to be fucking kidding me. All over again.
It sounds like AI though. AI is Snoop Dogg. But anyways, yeah, this is I need to understand what the filters better, to be honest. Because it doesn't make much sense, but also it's not like you have like knobs in front of you that you can do shit. Uh, like how do I say it? Like it's let's be honest. It's easy, moving knobs and listening to the change. It's less easy to write stuff and waiting for the result. It's not as immediate. Um, yeah, I don't think so. Like, if most of AI models, like AI voice models out there, are trained from like songs, interviews. It's most of them don't even have like the explicit permission from the author. The author. What the fuck am I saying? Whoop, 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 whoop. It dropped. It dropped. OBS, OBS. Hello, hello, hello. Am I live? Am I live? Ah, I love my ISP. They're so good. They give me like 5 kilobit per second download and 5 kilobit per second upload. Yeah, no. You wrote the text. Yes, I figured that. Um, did you write the AI model? No. Did you get if you did you get permission from Snoop Dogg to make the AI model? But anyways, this is a long-winded way to say do whatever the fuck you want. But yeah, I was like, bro, is this Snoop Dogg? Yeah, it was Snoop Dogg. A version of him. But anyways, what the fuck was I doing? Yeah, I think I'm gonna end it now. Yeah, no, for sure he doesn't know, but I don't think he cares, to be honest. Because most of like the use cases of like text to speech, like it's like saying like stupid stuff, like I don't know what I'm trying to say, so I'm not gonna say it. But yeah, I don't think he knows, but I don't think he cares, to be honest. I think he has enough money to get like a legal team involved to shut down this stuff if he cared. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end though right now. It's it's been how much is it? Oh, it's almost 2 hours, bruh. Also, I lost like 48% of the frames I sent. So I love my ISP. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go. I'm tired a bit. And also kind of hungry. And also I need to go to work tomorrow. But I can say with a little bit of certainty that in the next weeks I'll be streaming more because one, I want to do it. Two, I have a time off work because we worked as fucking donkeys. I don't know if that translates that well in English. In Italian, it's there's a saying like working like donkeys. That means like working like a lot. And I'm gonna take every single time off I can take, and also my boss does, so nobody's gonna work at my job. So yeah, I'll have time, and there's gonna be some work behind the scenes on a lot of stuff on McFly Pirates, and I I don't think I think I can say it, since Analog kind of leaked stuff for no reason, and I was scared of leaking it. But also, I don't want to leak it. Bruh, that sounds so bad. I don't want that leak, Leak. Uh, but with that being said, if I find a way to work on it on stream without leaking stuff that not even Analog wants to leak, like fucking credentials and shit like that, you know, if you know, you know, I might give it a shot. Because it's an interesting project, but working like alone, not say, let's not say alone, like working, like yeah, let's say working alone. It's kind of not for me, to be honest. Like I get things done, but I get distracted. But like I found that if I stream, I get to do like I get to kind of focus for some reason. Like I focus a little bit more on what I'm doing. And also it's a good way for me to practice my English again, because my English doesn't sound to me as I much as good, as much gooder. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. I'm just saying shit. But anyways, this has been fun. This might be something that we actually get to uh, put on the fucking magpiepirates.com for all I know, because it doesn't take much to host it, and it's basically all your resources. If you play with it on your computer, it's gonna use all your computer resources, and we are not gonna use our server resources, so it's like a no-brainer to host it there and to let people use it. But with that being said, I actually need to make it work and do stuff and make it kind of look nice. And maybe I'll publish the source code on GitHub. I don't know. I'll do stuff. I swear to God, I'll do it. Anyways, been nice. Thank you for hanging out. It's been nice. I missed it. I missed fucking streaming, to be honest. It's nice. It's not my thing, like my main thing, but it's easier than just doing stuff like just recording and editing, which I never did, and I have no clue on how to do it. And it's much more easy to do this shit. So I'm gonna do it. And hopefully I'll get used to it, and maybe we can do like weekly stuff. I don't know. If y'all are interested, I don't see why not. Even if you're not interested, I'm gonna fucking do it, because fuck you. Just kidding. Anyways, it's been a pleasure to meet you all. And the best regards. And I'm gonna send off. Bye bye.